Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm outside for a video today. So I'm back and I'm with two special guests. Tiree, come on! This is Tiree.
I have a channel. I have a channel.
Okay, right, sure. And Nicole. She's got an address which is not available in here. That's Nicole.
Hello.
She's in a dress.
Yeah.
So that means that she's crazy. And me, obviously, I'm in my cozy clothes. They're being really stupid now. Okay, what I'm basically going to be doing today is showing you a garage tour. Yes, a garage tour. Hey, you coming in the garage with me? Show them a garage tour. Okay, so we're going to be showing you a garage tour today. So this is what you see when you first go in. Like that's what you see. And then we've got one corner, guys, that's completely filled with rubbish.
Me and Nicole's cousins. Yeah.
Right there, that's a big pile of rubbish. Girls, go show them. This is the big thing of rubbish. Right by my house. So annoying. And there's this thing. Yeah, this thing. No, get out of the way. Get out of the way. There's this thing here, which is like an electric station thing.
And then show them the banking.
No, I'm not showing them the back. This is a garage tour. Okay. Then this is a shed.
Is this a shed?
This is just a random shed with loads of wood and more wood. And now we're going to go through here. This is glass.
No, it's crystal.
No, it's glass. There's all this stuff, guys. I think we're going through an abandoned place here. And then there is the banking.
That's the banking, and I'm going in with Tiree. We'll show you. We'll meet you. It's our van.
It's our den.
Can we tell them?
What?
Yeah. It's our den, and we're a vampire. Oh, I'm a wolf, and she's a vampire.
How are you doing?
Can we go tell? I'm a wolf, and she's a vampire. And this is our den down the banking. Can we go tell?
You guys aren't going down, okay? It's like I'm behind you, you know. But
And I'll show them that we're going down. Guys, I'm going down.
okay, right, guys, they're going down. Once they're down, they're going to be stuck.
No, we're not. Huh? No, we're not going to be stuck. We stop out the... But you can't see us. Can you come in?
No. They're crazy. Come on, let's... Again, this is like a woman's place where it's like abandoned. And we've got this, and then there's a abandoned car. Isn't actually abandoned, but then these walls just to support it up. And basically, there's another house. There's a caravan in the back. Yeah, they just came back up. There's some of these like. Tiree, are you okay? There's this shed. Right, I dare one of you to knock on that.
Why?
Just make sure that you can see. I'm not sure if you guys picked that up, but someone just knocked back. But, you know. Like, pull this thing. Because you pushed all of it. There's no one actually. Is there anyone in there? Is there anyone in there, Nicole?
Baby.
A baby house?
Yeah! A baby.
Vampires can see things, through things. Vampires can see through things.
What's her name?
It's a vampire who can't talk. No, not a vampire, I'm saying mix up words. It's a baby who can't talk or scream. And it's right at the door. And that's why we heard a bang. Yeah, that's you. And it's about to something. Like not tired. Like a nail. A nail! And it stinks in there. And it poos its pants. It's soft for the...
I don't see anything like that, but okay.
Why because it's soft?
Now,
If there's anybody knocking on the
no, it's Tyree's turn to knock on that one. Knock on it. No, knock. Let's knock on this one. Right.
Look, hole. It's a ghost.
Hey, there's a hole. Someone look in that hole. There's a hole.
I can't. I'm not falling off.
Me and Nicole are enemies of ghosts, and I saw a vision that I could see through there, and it was a ghost. That's why you hit it.
And there's
Yeah,
two
vampires
other ones here, so we're also just going to knock on them again.
Vampires can...
Right, someone knock on that one.
Ready?
Go. What do you see in there?
Nothing, that one.
Not even a car or anything.
Like
Right,
a cat.
I'm going to knock on this.
But Nicole knocked on two.
Right, you can knock on this one again. No, not this one, because this one doesn't even go right. Right, have a look through
Okay.
there.
Let me see a vision.
There's eyes in there.
Sorry.
I see two eyes in there.
Sorry guys if you can't see any of
I
this.
see two eyes in there.
There's a zombie!
I see two eyes in
What? A zombie? There are holes on the other side, Nicole.
there. Can you hear that sound?
That's in there.
Right, come on guys. We hear noises! We hear noises! My head's going off, but I don't care. We heard noises, guys. So we ran. Like that. It's really freaky. Hey, what if it was just coming from like the flats or something?
It wasn't.
Okay guys, that's the end of this video. We've just hit 7 minutes. Guys, if you want to see more entertaining videos like this one, remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. The question of the day is, have you ever been in a garage before? Like the one that we just went in. Oh, right. Go away. So, yeah, let's sit here. So, that's my number. Not telling you my street though. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Bye! Bye! Doop. It didn't stop. Oh well. Bye!